we're going to show you a couple tricks you can do to fix problems with your LeMan 100 fountain pen. Now, one of the problems that I've seen is the cap won't click on there good and tight like it should. And the reason it does that is because there's an inner cap in there that's soft plastic and it's split. So we make a new inner cap for that, and it's fairly easy to put in. If you look at the pen itself, there's a screw down there, a flat bladed screw that holds the tassie and the clip on. So you take that off, and the inner cap you can poke right out through the square hole in the top. And here's the replacement inner cap, exactly like the original. And that will fix up that problem with your LeMan 100 fountain pen. Another problem that I've seen with the LeMan 100 is there's often corrosion right where the nib and feed come out of the section. So, and this ring up here corrodes and leaks. So what we did was we duplicated this band up here. And there is the band, the new band, and that's got it's got to go. That's got 6 microns flash coating on it beneath coating of 14 karat gold. So it shouldn't leak and corrode anymore. So that's what we got for a LeMan 100.